Hello, it's Thursday, Drop-In Craft. Today we are making, everyone knows how much I love to make flowers. Well, today we are making flowers out of newspapers and magazines. So if you have any old newspapers and magazines lying around your house, you can recycle them. Very simple. Glue, a straw for your stem, a circle for the middle of your flower, and I cut already some magazines and some newspapers that I had that I was getting rid of, that I was recycling. So I'm gonna make a magazine one. I'm going to take four strips, and I'm gonna glue two together like an X. I'm going to put another one going across the X like that, and I'm going to put a fourth one going across like that. There's my flower. Then I'm going to take the middle where the pollen is, and I'm going to make it like that, the flower, and then I'm going to take my stem, put glue on the back, and attach it just like that. And now I'm going to make one out of newspaper. So we're going to take 4 pieces of the newspaper that I've already, you can use a popsicle stick and trace it and then cut it out. I'm going to make an X marks the spot. I'm going to take another one, put it like that, and then my fourth one is going to go across. I'm going to take my middle, and then I am going to take my stem. You can also, if you want, you can cut out some paper and you could put it as leaves. And then you can put them all into a vase. And these are your recyclable flowers that you've made. All right, we will see you next week. Have a good week. Whoa.